YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with yet another video. Today's video may rival my Easter Sunday video with regards to being one of the fastest Coach unboxings ever. Once again, I have an item I purchased from Poshmark, and it is also a Coach item. What is it, you may ask? I gave you some hints in the comment section, I think, on one of my previous videos that was not too long ago. So you know it's a Coach item, and you know that it is from Poshmark. Let's just dig on in and see. I have found that I tend to get a little bit obsessed with things. I don't know if you've noticed this about me, but in fact, it is true. If I find an item I like from one brand or the other, I start to scour the internet for the best deals and the best finds and every color I can possibly get. And then sometimes I get too many of that item. And when that happens, then I sell some of them. I curate my collection to make it smaller. I don't think that's going to be the case with this particular item, but never say never. And also the other thing is I don't think I can sell this as easily as I can sell a handbag. Oh, I just gave something away. I don't think I could sell this quite as easily as I can sell a handbag on the resale market after I've worn it. So the item came wrapped. You can kind of get a sneak peek. There's some tan, there's some pink. Doesn't have any smell to it to speak of. That's always a good sign. I always worry with fabric items that they'll pick up the scent of the previous owner, even if they were never worn, by just being stored in the closet. I've had that happen with a metal bag charm, believe it or not. I received a metal bag charm one time and it smelled like smoke. And the individual never smoked inside their house, but just by touching the dust bag, it ended up smelling like smoke by the time that it got to me. It was no big deal. I mean, I could have just washed the dust bag, but I ended up throwing it away. It was one of those teeny tiny little dust bags that I have a whole bunch of because Coach will just give them to you if you ask. And I don't ask, but they still seem to have given me a fair amount. Okay, so here's the item. Look at how pretty that is. It's got the leather part on the back. It's very lightweight. Certainly not a hat that I will wear to baseball games per se, unless I go to my niece's baseball game perhaps, or I didn't even think about it, but my youngest son's team is pink for his city team. So maybe if I can find a pink shirt that matches this, then I could wear it to his games. That's neither here nor there. I know that this is an outlet only piece, and I also know that I need to loosen it to almost as loose as it can go to accommodate my large head. And you know it's large because I'm so darn smart. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not stupid, but I don't know about being so darn smart. So the perfect fit for me is when it just tucks in, and this hat fits perfect. I'm so excited. I love it. It is gorgeous. Look at the Kaffe floral print. I mean, is that not just stunning? I'll turn around and let you see the back. I'm liking it a whole heck of a lot. And it even goes with the shirt, and I wasn't even planning on that. It's amazing how things work out. You know, you won't plan something and then like it's serendipity. All of a sudden, it works out. So I hope you all have enjoyed this speed Coach unboxing. And I know it's not a bag, but it's still pretty. And these hats, these Kaffe facette hats, the collaboration that he did with Coach Outlet, these hats are available all over the internet. And I think I got mine. She had it listed for $85 and I just took a chance and offered $65 on Poshmark and she accepted. So don't be afraid to negotiate because there's a whole bunch of them out there. And since they were outlet hats, some of these people who have them that are reselling them may have gotten quite a deal. The best deal I've gotten on an outlet hat from the outlet has been about $67, around that. But I know that the outlet runs big sales and my hat obsession may have just not come at quite the right time. So don't be afraid to make offers. You know, look around, find the best deal, but definitely this hat is a winner and it fits really, really well. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Erin. I'm the Handbag Housewife. Stay tuned for next time, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.